Hello, my name's Simon Monk and this is my book and it's called Arduino and Android Projects for the Evil Genius. And all the projects in this book are really concerned with connecting Android devices, so that might be an Android mobile phone or an Android tablet, to external electronics to make them actually do something or control something. And the projects are really split into two different sections in the book. And the first section is concerned with what we would call Android accessories. So these are kind of little projects that you attach to your mobile phone to do something interesting. And some examples of that are a little Bluetooth rover. So you have an application, a little app on your Android phone that allows you to steer the rover around the room, so you can drive it about over Bluetooth remotely. Another example in this section is a Geiger counter. So this uses a low-cost Geiger tube that you can find easily on the internet, and a bit of electronics, and it connects up to an Arduino, and that then plugs into your Android phone using a USB connection. And the Android phone in this case is really sort of just acting like a display to show what's going on with the Geiger counter. So it will be used to display the number of counts per minute and flash up a little radiation signal every time there's a radioactive event that goes through the tube. Another project here is a light display, and this is really a kind of a luxury Android phone charger, in that when you plug the Android device into it, it'll charge it, but also it will make use of the Android's microphone and audio electronics to actually change the light display depending on the sound. And that might be sound that's just around in the room because you're playing the TV or a hi-fi, or it might be sound that the Android phone is playing itself, and it has three high-powered LED arrays that flash on and off and give different effects depending on the kind of sound that they can detect. So that's Android accessories. The second section of the book is concerned with home automation. And the idea I had for this really was that because you can get Android tablets for less than $100, you've actually got a great basis for a home hub, for a home automation hub. So the projects in this are concerned with being able to connect that Android tablet and kind of the best way of connecting it to an Arduino in that case, because a lot of these tablets don't have Bluetooth, they don't have an Ethernet, and they may not have USB host, is to actually connect the tablet to the Arduino using the sound interface for the Android tablet. So they all have sound jacks on them. So there's a little electronics, a little circuit board that I show you how to make in the book, that converts that audio signal into a digital signal that the Arduino can then use for various different projects. One of those projects is using an electromechanical door latch mechanism, so that you can remotely lock or unlock your front door. Certain risk in that particular project. There is also a heating controller project that replaces your existing thermostat with one that interfaces to the Android tablet, acting as a home automation hub. And then there's also similar projects looking at controlling power for two different devices. So this allows you to set timers to turn things on and off, all from your automation hub. I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information, please have a look at the book's website.